Hi, my name's Brian. Welcome to MaTrack Radar, the elite and intuitive solution for monitoring large fleets. In this video, we will show you how to install a MA50 combined hardwire asset tracker. Here's the MA50. This is the harness. This is the starter kill relay. And here's our power source. The power source black connects to harness black. The power source red is connected with harness red, along with starter kill black and blue. Harness green is connected with starter kill white. Next, connect the MA50 to the harness. Switch on your power source, and the lights should start to blink. The red light indicates GPS satellite connection. The green light indicates cellular network connection. And this is how you install your MA50. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're always happy to assist you. Thanks for choosing MaTrack Radar, and have a great day.